welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to unread a message on Instagram. So let's get into the video. Once you're in your Instagram account, head over to DMs by clicking the DM icon on the upper right corner. Then select a message that you have just read. Suppose this one. And if I tap a while on it, you can see there are no option to unread a message. But as my account is a private account, it's not a public account or a professional account, so it doesn't avail me the unread option. But if my account was a professional account, then if I tap any one of them, they will show me a unread option. So I would just click on it and it will be done. And yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.